Let Apple Month continue, and let's make another apple dish. This one's gonna be a savory dish that comes from the Betty Crocker card catalog. I love making dishes from these vintage card catalogs. This one comes from the Hurry Up Main Dishes. It's card number 25. It's the sausage medley card, and we'll be making the Apple Orchard Bean Bake. Let's try it. Grab a skillet. You need to cook a pound of sausage. I'm using this hot country style sausage. Brown it up. Now I'm adding a can of baked beans, a half a can of condensed tomato soup, and a sprinkle of pepper. Let's give that a stir. While that's cooking, let's slice up an apple. I'm pouring that sausage mixture into a baking dish and cover with those sliced apples. Then you need a 1/4 cup of brown sugar that you're going to sprinkle on the top. This is definitely singing, "Let's get ready for autumn." Well, we're going to bake it at 450 for about 25 minutes. Now you just let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Apple Orchard Bean Bake. It's absolutely perfect. It's meaty and very sweet. And then there's a nice spice at the back from that hot sausage. It's an exciting vintage dish. Let's celebrate the apple. What do you call a shish kebab at a fancy restaurant? A shishka, Robert.